Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're going to work on this ET-8550. The problem when it starts, you're going to hear a screeching noise and you're going to get a 034004. And the problem is pretty simple. Open it up, take your finger down, and the whole belt is crumbled up. Okay, let's get it fixed. The first part is remove this top bar. This is probably the hardest one. Supposedly you open halfway and bend in the middle is going to take out. Sometimes if you cannot figure out, just take off those two screws and give you more room to wiggle around and you can easily take it out. This is probably the most useless part in the human history, so you can see I don't take it off often. I just yank it and throw it away. There are 4 screws. The first one is from the top, and then the second one is on the left front and still top down. The third one is in the back of the printer, straight in the back. Then you remove the paper tray and you're going to see one more screw up in the front. After removing that one, you're going to wiggle around and push the plate back. I'm going to mention lots of parts here. How can I know about this? We can go to BCH Technologies.com and search for ET-8550 parts list. Select this document. I constantly update this document, so whenever I have a new update, you should automatically receive a new link for the newest version. I constantly making new videos, so my plan is when I make a new video, I put a little YouTube icon here. You click that, and it will show how to work with this part. So today we're going to focus on this PF pulley wheel, and underneath there's a PF timing belt. You can see, for example, if you click the belt, it will jump to the belt. It's easier to just loosen all the belt, so we start from scratch. This pulley wheel, it has a steel rod in the middle and save it at a safe place, otherwise you have to buy a new one. Anyway, there are 2 sides of the belt. One side has teeth. The teeth side gonna huddle the gear. I hope that makes sense. With the belt huddled around the big wheel behind that disc, and now we install the pulley wheel. Make sure the steel rod is in the middle and have a little bit on both sides. Now we have the wheels in, and now we wrap around the wheel, the smooth side touching the wheel. When you flip over, the teeth side gonna huddle that metal gear. Okay. For the last step, install the drop belt on the big white wheel, and you put the teeth side on top of the white wheel. And make sure you have tension between the 2 big wheels and start rotating the wheel. You can see the belt start catching the wheel, and now you can turn all the gears. And I give you a last review. Coming out from the big wheel, and they turn around through this pulley, and then loop back from the big wheel, the PF rod. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please visit at BCHTechnologies.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers!